Are you bored of traditional LEGO Speed Champions rims? Do you wish they make them in more variations and colors or even make exact miniature replicas of the rims on their real-life counterparts? And the Speed Champions fan community has you covered. There are websites where you can order and commission custom 3D printed rims for your Speed Champions sets or custom MOCs. And that's what I've done myself. Here are my custom Mazda Miata NA and Toyota Tundra MOCs, as well as my lightly modified version of another designer's Lancia Stratos MOC. Instructions for all three cars are linked in the description. The 3D printed rims on these models were bought from brick2brick.com. Brick2brick and GT Creo cars are currently the #1 options when it comes to custom LEGO rims, since their selection is much wider and greater than that of eBay, Etsy, or websites where you have to print the rims yourself like Printables. Brick2brick also accepts free commissions via Instagram private messaging, where you can request a 3D printed replica of any rim of your choice without extra charge. GT Creo's commissions are likely free too, but I can't confirm it. Before I talk about the rims and my experience with Brick2brick, I'd like to clarify that this video is non-sponsored. I bought these rims myself, and any opinion I share is genuine. First, we have my Miata MOC, which has been fitted with silver-painted replicas of the famous Daisy rims from early first-generation Miatas. Now the LEGO car looks just like my personal 1990. They were originally commissioned by the MOC designer Envy Carmax for his NA Miata MOC, and they look absolutely fantastic on mine as well. Unfortunately, the rims don't really roll, though this is due to the MOC. This is because they're the tiniest of a hair bigger than the normal Speed Champions rims, so they rub against this stud in the Miata's wheel wells. It doesn't upset me though, since all the car has to do is look good on a shelf. Next, we have my lightly modified version of Envy Carmax's Lancia Stratos MOC, fitted with the famous coffin spoke rims painted gold. Since this car uses different mudguard pieces than the Miata, the rims roll perfectly fine, but that's only if they're attached with light gray low friction pins. When applied to other pins, the rims will struggle to roll. These rims look epic on my Stratos, and just like the Miata rims, it really completes the MOC. Here's my 2024 Toyota Tundra Platinum TRD, a MOC of my dad's truck, fitted with the exact TRD rims as the real truck. These are commissioned Brick2brick for via Instagram. I sent them some pictures of the rims, and shortly afterwards they made a perfect 3D model of the completed LEGO truck rim, and I bought them from his website. The package arrived here from Portugal in about 10 days, which is insanely fast for shipping to the northeast United States, and arrived in a neat little box with Brick2brick's branding. The rims on the LEGO truck look quite smaller than the rims on the real-life truck, but I'm extremely happy with how they came out, plus they all roll perfectly fine. Brick2brick even painted little red TRD logos on them. Finally, here are some rims I bought for a modded version of my NA Miata MOC that I haven't built yet. They've also been commissioned by me and are a replica of the Graham Lights 57 Transcend Rev Limit rims by JDM aftermarket wheel company Rays. For extra charge, I even had them paint Toyo Tires logos on the tires. However, as they're painted on rubber, the logos will very easily come off or fade during time if you aren't super duper careful. As you can see here, the painted logos are lightly damaged from pushing the rim into the tire. This is all to be expected though, because whenever you put paint or prints on rubber or scale model tires, LEGO or not, this is unfortunately the norm. The link for the custom rim section of Brick2brick's website is in the description. On the website, you can pick a huge variety of different rims, some from real-life cars and some are original designs. You can choose to have the rims printed in light gray or black material, which is good if you like to paint the rims yourself, or you could have the rims painted by Brick2brick personally in certain colors. Having multiple colors on a rim, like the red accents on my commissioned rims, costs a little extra per rim. Every price shown on the website's rim selection is for one single rim before customization options. All in all, I'm incredibly happy with how the rims came out and with my experience with Brick2brick. The commissioning process was flawless, the pricing is fair for such a unique handmade product, and the rims themselves make my call box look jaw-droppingly cool. My only real suggestion is that I wish their website was more detailed. For example, 95% of the names of the rims on the website are just numbers, so you have to completely guess if the rims belong to a specific model of car or truck, or if they're an original design. Just tidying up the website and that small little difference would be great, but otherwise I'm extremely satisfied and will certainly work with Brick2brick in the future. And if you're interested in any of the 4 rims I showcased in the video, the links for each of them are of course in the description. Thanks for watching the video, and if you'd like to see more LEGO content from me, consider subscribing to the channel.